it's good times because ngomhla ka-25 kaJune kuzoba ne-new moon ezobe ilapho khona ku-Cancer. I-moon is about ama-emotions and u-Cancer is ruled by the moon. UJupiter uhappy uma ku-Cancer, so it's happy times. We need to use this new moon sonke ke ezobe ilapha ku-Cancer ngomhla ka-25 kaJune sisebenzise for a new beginning. Siqale izinto ezintsha ngaphakathi empilweni zethu masikhuleka, mhlambe futhi uma sithandaza sicele isiqalo esisha, sicele futhi ukuthi uJupiter asibheke nathi, aphenduke abheke ngathini ukuze akwazi ukuthi ayiphendule ama-intentions wethu when we meditate. uJupiter lona is a very big planet eza ne-abundance ey'mpilweni zethu. Uma around ama-zodiac sign ufike enza izinto ezingafani. The thing is njengoba expanda enza i-growth, enza futhi ne-abundance, u-expanda leyo nto ekuwena ngaphakathi. What matters the most masenza ama-meditations wethu or sikhuleka, but angithandi kakhulu kusebenzisa into yokukhuleka because umuntu mekhuleka uyacela, akhale, yancenge, azehlisa abe phansi. Kanti when you meditate you elevate yourself and you attract izinto. uJupiter ukhulisa leyo nto engaphakathi kuwena. If wena ngaphakathi une-fear enhlizweni yakho uzokhulisa yona. If une-jealous uzokhulisa yona. If une-happiness uzokhulisa. Uma unothando, uma une-hope, yonke into. I think masingase so-understand wonke ama-planets ukuthi asebenza kanjani, if es-affecta yini eyenzekayo kuthina, then we can be in a position to better reap the rewards from lama-planets lawo nama-energies wawo. Each time emove engena kuma-zodiac sign wethu, maningi ama-positions amakuwona-ke. Sometimes abakwi-opposition or sometimes abaku-sextile, which is a very good position ongakwazi ukuthi uchannele naleyo planet and reap those rewards. Sometimes mhlambe abekwi-square, i-square asikho right shame because i-square siwu-90 degrees and senza ukuthi lama-planets alwe same like i-opposition, because i-opposition is like a straight line, engidonsa ibheka le, engidonsa ibheka le. So uma ama-planets elwa ngaleyo ndlela, it's more like they rip you apart. Izinto ey'fana nalezo I think kumele ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siyifunde bese sizihlanganisa ne-spirituality sethu or maybe ne-ancestral practice yethu. Ake ngibeke kanjalo because for me umuntu odila nezinto zasemsamo zedlozi, I find ukuthi when you combine these two methods, I mean you get a better idea yokuthi what is happening in your life emsamo nasemhlabeni, because I mean ngeke uze uphile emsamo kuphela. If you do that you end up uba umuntu othi yonke into isemsamo, and that is not the case. Phela ukhona uNkulunkulu